Huge new research in the GLP-1 space over GLP-1s and the degenerating brain. And this is huge because this is a review of decades and decades of research looking at Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, stroke, and even depression, and the mechanisms in which GLP-1s may or may not help these. First of all, let's look at where GLP-1s are active in the brain. The answer, pretty much everywhere. Look at them. All the red and yellow dots are where they're active. Most importantly to point out, they're in the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex. These are places that decision-making and memory happen in, and also they're the hardest areas hit by Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. They specifically highlight how these diseases work and what the benefits of using them are versus the mechanism of action. In this review, they also found that GLP-1s activate pathways for cell survival. These pathways are helping your neurons survive stress, reduce inflammation, protect the mitochondria in your cells. Basically, they're making the brain more resilient and powerful. They also highlight a bunch of animal trials that show a lot of neurological protection, and they talk about the human trials that are still underway and evolving that are showing a reduction in neurodegeneration. One of the biggest barriers here is getting into the brain. Getting GLP-1s into the brain is a difficult process because they don't freely pass through the blood-brain barrier. Only small pieces of the GLP-1s pass through, which led to the question of maybe there are other delivery methods like intranasal sprays or nanoparticle delivery vehicles. But overall, the brain and GLP-1s seem to be good friends. There's more research needed on this for sure, but this paper really goes in deep on all the ways that GLP-1s can help in the brain. Follow to stay up to date on all the latest news and research in the GLP-1 space. And if you're interested in getting started on your GLP-1 journey, check out the link in our bio.